Have you ever opened up the Facebook Ads Manager and just felt totally lost? Yeah, you are not alone. But what if I told you that in the next few minutes, we're going to break it all down, step by step? Let's do this. Let's get your first ad campaign ready to launch. So here's our game plan. First, we'll set up your ad headquarters. Then, we'll cover the 3 levels of every single campaign. After that, we'll get into the fun stuff, finding your audience, getting super specific with your targeting, and finally, picking exactly where your ad is going to show up. Sound good?
All right, first things first. Before you can even think about running an ad, you need a home base, a command center. A place to manage everything. This is all about setting up that solid foundation.
And that command center has a name, Business Manager. Just think of it as the professional-grade tool from Meta. It's built to let you handle all your business stuff, your ad accounts, your pages, even giving team members access, all under one roof.
Okay, this is a really important distinction to get right from the start. If you're running an agency, working with a team, or have a business that's growing, you're going to want the Business Manager, no question. It lets you juggle multiple accounts and pages. But if you're just dipping your toes in, maybe for a personal project, your personal ad account, which is linked to your Facebook profile, is perfectly fine. The key is just to know which one is right for you.
Okay, next up, let's pull back the curtain on how a campaign is actually put together. Here's the secret. Every single ad on Facebook, I don't care how simple or complicated it is, follows the exact same 3-level structure. The best way to think about it is like building a house. First, you need the blueprint, then you build out the rooms, and finally, you fill it with furniture.
And here's that structure right here. See, at the very top, you've got the campaign. That's your blueprint. It's all about your main goal. Then in the middle, you have the ad set. These are the rooms. This is where you decide who you're targeting and how much you're willing to spend. And then at the very bottom, you have the ad. That's the furniture, the creative stuff that people are actually going to see.
So let's look at that top level. At the campaign level, you only have to make one big decision. What's my main objective here? Am I trying to drive a bunch of traffic to my website? Am I trying to get sales? Maybe I just want leads. Nailing this objective down first is absolutely crucial.
Now, for the middle level, the ad set. This is kind of the brains of the whole operation. This is where you define your audience, who is going to see your ad. You also set your budget, figure out the schedule, and choose your placements, which is just a fancy word for where your ad is going to pop up.
And finally, we get to the ad level. This is the fun part, right? This is the actual creative, the image, the video, the headline, the text that your audience sees and hopefully interacts with. This is your big chance to get them to stop scrolling.
Okay, so we've got the structure down. Now let's talk about what is probably the single most important part of making your ads work, reaching the right people. This is the absolute core of good targeting.
And before you click a single button in Ads Manager, I want you to just stop and ask yourself this one simple question. Who am I actually trying to reach? Seriously, if you have a crystal clear picture of your perfect customer in your head, everything else gets so much easier. So, Facebook gives us 3 amazing ways to find that person. You can target by demographics. This is stuff like their age or if they have a master's degree. Then there are interests, what they're into based on pages they follow, like architecture. And finally, behaviors. This is based on what they do, like if they're an engaged shopper who clicks on ads. It's an incredibly powerful toolkit. But wait, it gets even better. We can go way deeper than that. Let's talk about getting really, really specific. This is how you stop wasting money and start finding people who are actually likely to buy. So check this out. Let's say we start by targeting people who studied for an MBA, okay? Facebook tells us that's a potential audience of 8 million people. Whoa! That is way, way too big. That's like trying to hit a tiny target with a giant fire hose. But here's where the magic happens. We use this little feature called narrow audience, and all it does is it adds an "and" to your targeting. So you're basically telling Facebook, hey, I want people with an MBA, and they must also match this other thing. And boom, look what happens. By adding that one condition, that they must also have studied marketing, our audience shrinks from a massive 8 million, all the way down to a super specific 3,400 people. Now that is an audience we can really talk to. And that really is the key takeaway here. This is how you find high-quality leads instead of just blasting your ad out to everyone and hoping for the best. It's about being precise. Better targeting literally means you get more bang for your buck. Every single time. Okay, we are almost there. We've got our goal, we've got our audience, and we've got our creative ready. The very last piece of the puzzle is deciding where on earth our ads are going to show up.
And believe me, you have got a ton of options. It's not just the Facebook feed anymore. Your ad can pop up in the Instagram feed, in Stories, on Marketplace, in Reels, in the middle of videos. The list goes on and on. The trick is to think about where your audience actually spends their time.
So this brings you to two basic choices. You can go with automatic placements, which just means you let Facebook's super smart algorithm figure out where to show your ad to get the best results. This is, hands down, the best option for beginners. Or if you're more advanced and know for a fact your audience lives on Instagram Stories, you can choose manual placements and take control. But for your first campaign, trust me, just stick with automatic.
And that's it. That is the complete framework for building your very first Facebook ad campaign from top to bottom. You get the structure, you know how to find your audience, and you know where to place your ads. So really, there's only one question left to ask. What's the first campaign you're going to build?